Okay, everybody say hi to the camera.
Hi!
So it's Sunday, December 13th. This is our first big snowstorm. Our first snowstorm in Arkansas, and the kids, I think, second time they've been in snow. But it's coming down pretty hard, so we're just gonna go out and play in the snow. And they all got at least 2 layers on, and in some cases 3 and 4 and 5 layers. Okay, open the garage door. Okay, go out and play. Go out and run in the snow. What do you think? Look at Daddy and tell me what you think of the snow.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Look at Daddy. What do you think?
It's great.
Maya, what do you think? Maya?
You like it? Hey,
Marley, what do you think?
I think it's awesome.
It's awesome. Mick, what do you think, buddy?
Come on, guys. Let's do a snowman. You gotta make a ball first.
So I wouldn't do it right there, but you got to start somewhere, I guess. So.
Let's see if it packs up pretty nice into a ball.
Okay, well, I think what I'm going to do is get a shovel and bring snow to you from the driveway and the sidewalk. Okay, so I'm going to stop filming. We'll start filming. Mommy's starting to build the snowman.
You gotta roll the snow. Come roll it. Can you roll it?
Okay, their first snowman build.
Well, they built one in Stillwater.
Oh, that's right. No, build a snowman. Okay, Mick, say hi.
Hi.
Marley, say hi. Okay, look at Daddy. Everybody look at Daddy.
Hi.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
No.
Not too bad, huh?
Hey guys, is that big enough for
Okay.
the bottom?
No, it needs to be bigger, Mommy.
Come here.
Okay, still Sunday, December 13th. Lisa and the kids made a snowman while I attempted to shovel snow, and I hate shoveling snow. Or for Mick's case, I dislike very, very much shoveling snow. Oh.
Look at me.
Cheese.
Maya, look at me.
Cheese.
Say, do you want to build a snowman?
Maya, look at me.
Right up and down the hall.
Maya, look at me. I want to get in it. Will you take a picture of me with them?
I'm filming at the moment.
Yes, but I want a picture.
Okay, and I will be glad to get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Say, everybody look at Daddy.
Cheese.
Say, do you want to build a snowman?
You want to build a snowman?
Say, we just build a snowman.
Let's build a snowman.
We love snow.
Okay, now you.
Okay, we made a little snow castle. Did another one just fall off? Or did Mick just dump that there? It was taller, and then it fell over. Is what it is. Michael, go get in the castle. Go get in the fort. Call a snow fort. Look at Daddy.
Cheese.
Say snow fort.
Snowball.
Say, do you want to build a snow fort?
Do you want to build a snowball?
Say, where's Maya?
Where's Maya?
She got cold.
She got cold, so she went in.
Oh.
Let me know when you're finished taking pictures so I can go back, buddy.
Come on, guys.
Look up, Marley. Marley, look up. Marley. Say, cougars.
Cougars.
Okay.
Okay, look over the top at Daddy. Get the snowman behind him. It's still snowing, coming down. Pretty good. This is like a legit snowstorm. Don't get too many of those around here. And there's Mommy. Okay, we'll go back to the snowman one more time. Come stand by the snowman one more time. All right, say it was fun.
It's fun.
It's wet.
What?
It was cold.
Cold.
Bye.